Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to transfer the Xfinity router to another room, then this video is for you. Here is the solution that you can transfer the Xfinity router to other room if you have an active cable coaxial outlet in the other room. What is active cable and coaxial outlet? So the coaxial outlet is this type of switch by which you can just connect your Wi-Fi router with your router connection, the external connection that will provide you internet to your router, and your router can distribute the internet all over your room. So this is the point of coaxial outlet, so you can use this to connect your router to another room. So make sure that your room has this connection on your wall. Or and active cable means the cable that are currently active and properly working, by passing the internet from the main server to your router. Now you can move the modem yourself if you have this connection on your other room. If not, did need to get the coaxial connection moved and extended to the other room. If you have the expertise or know someone who does, could add a new cable run inside your home. It doesn't have to be Comcast, and the Comcast doesn't need to know where the outlet is in your home. Of course, a bad connection could cause problems and you may end up contacting Comcast. So make sure that you have a proper connection of coaxial, you can get the proper internet connection through your Xfinity router. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.